Hi guys, this is assessment number 2, and in this case we're going to see how to configure the project in CUBASE. First of all, make sure you have plugged your connections to the computer, turn your audio interface, and make sure you have installed your software in the DAW. Make sure you have sufficient hard disk drive space in your drive, and you have enough memory in your computer. Once you have properly installed software in your computer, now it's time to open your CUBASE software. And then in this example we have the version 1.0.7, the CUBASE LE. In this version we have capacity to use 24 tracks simultaneously. I think in other versions we have more capacity in terms of track, but the capabilities of the software are the same. Now we are going to devices. We're going to select device configuration, that is in the end of the menu. A screen is opening showing us the option to configure the BST multitrack. You need to go to the controller that you're going to use. I have 3 options. Here is the for another kind of drivers, but I need to select the US 1800, that is the audio interface that we are going to use in this project. You need to select the clock source by hardware, and going further to the control panel, we can see another box that we can modify some settings to the audio interface. They are internal settings. You can see this menu basically showing the latency. We are going to select low latency. The digital output will be the 1 and 2 because we have 4 for this particular model. We're going to select 1 and 2, and on the left we can see some features of the audio interface. We need to choose these settings. They are recommended, and we're going to close this window. We have the option to modify the number of disk buffers. The higher the number, the higher the latency, so you need to be careful. We're going to establish 4 buffers of 128 kilobytes. All the correct parameters in our audio interface using from CUBASE. We need to select devices and BST inputs. We're going to select the ones that we are going to use during the recording. In this case, you can see we have 16 inputs. For this time we are going to select just the input 1 and the input 2. Sorry for the word message for English speakers, but my CUBASE is configured in Spanish. Okay, and the devices menu, we also need to see and select the output, the BST outputs. Now we can see the 2 different buses. We have to select the outputs that we need to use using the menus. Now it's time to select a new project. In the file menu, I recommend you select empty option in the new project menu, and select the folder that you're going to use. Previously, you need to create a folder in your hard drive, and choose that folder to put all the information. Now CUBASE shows the main configuring menu. We select project and project configuration in the menu, and now it's time to select the main parameters for the tracks. We're going to select 48 kilohertz as the sampling frequency. The bit depth is 24, and the kind of file that we want to deliver to the hard drive is a WAV file. Is selected. This parameter is for stereo deviation to 0 decibels. Choose accept. And next we're going to add audio track. Right click on your mouse button and you will have this menu to add a new audio file. Sorry, to add a new track for audio. Make sure you have your inputs selected. Make sure you have your output where you are going to hear the information that you are processing. We see the volume controls, and the recording button in red should be highlighted, and the yellow button monitor should be highlighted too. Now it's time to create the track to start the recording. That will be all for my side this time. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next delivery. Hope this video will be helpful. You have CUBASE solver.